Can you tell a difference between those two jars? Well, this one will hold water, while this one obviously will not. But what if there was a jar that is water sealed with the lid and without it? Well, there is no such thing, but there is this, the new GCT coaxial RF connectors that are rated IP67, 68 and 69K when mated or unmated. Available in standard and custom configurations with a wide selection of connector options, including isolated SMA and TNC variants. Also, for the most demanding environments, stainless steel. Get yours now at tme.eu.